If you've been wondering whether your Facebook account has been hacked, this video is going to help you check it quickly and safely. I'll walk you through the exact steps to review your security settings, see where your account is logged in, and spot any suspicious devices or locations before the problem gets worse. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to your profile picture in the top corner. From there, tap or click Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. This is where Facebook keeps your account and security controls, and it's the first place you should check if anything seems off. Once you're inside Settings, look for Password and Security. This section is really important because it gives you access to the tools that help protect your account and show you whether someone else may have access. Click Password and Security, and then find the option called Where You're Logged In. This page shows every device and location that is currently signed in to your Facebook account. Take a careful look through the list and compare the devices, locations, and login times with your own activity. If you see a phone, computer, city, or country that you don't recognize, that could be a strong sign your account has been compromised. Also check for logins that happened at times when you know you were not using Facebook. Even one unfamiliar session is worth paying attention to because it may mean someone else has access. If everything looks normal, that's a good sign, but you should still keep an eye on your security settings regularly. If you do find something suspicious, the next step is to log out of unfamiliar devices and change your password immediately. You should also turn on two-factor authentication for extra protection, so even if someone has your password, they still can't get in easily. It's also a good idea to review your recent posts, messages, and account settings to make sure nothing was changed without your permission. Sometimes hacked accounts are used to send strange messages, post spam, or change contact details, so double-checking everything can save you a lot of trouble. The key thing here is to act fast if something doesn't look right. The sooner you check your logged-in sessions, the sooner you can protect your Facebook account and limit any damage. And if you want, you can come back to this same settings area anytime to monitor your account in the future. That's the safest way to stay ahead of suspicious activity and know whether your account has been hacked. If this video is helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.